Welcome back to Upcycled Interiors, episode 3. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own wall climber using an old doll. Here's what you're going to need. I've chosen this old Barbie to work on today. Whatever doll you choose to use, make sure they have bendy legs and bendy arms. So let's begin. Taking your bradawl or your drill with a small bit, we're going to drill a hole in each hand big enough for the wire to go through. I'm going to suggest using a bit of wood to drill through the hands or to use the bradawl so you don't go through to your mum's table. There we go, 2 holes, 1 in each hand, ready for the wire. Now it's at this point, if you wanted to colour, paint or spray your dolls, now's the time to do so. I like the look of this doll, so I'm going to keep her clothes as they are, and I'm even going to keep her hair like that. Taking your picture wire or gardening wire, take one end and make a loop, and then twist. This is what we're going to use to hang your doll on the wall. Taking just under 1 metre of the rest of the wire, take your nippers and cut. Taking the end of your piece of wire, just twist it to make it nice and sharp. Take your doll, put the left arm up and the right arm down. And it's at this point we're going to bend their legs as far as they'll go, so they look like they're sitting down. Taking one end of your wire, thread through your left hand about 30 centimetres from the hook to the doll's hand, and then we're going to twist the excess wire around the hand once. Thread through the wire on the right hand. Do the same thing and twist the wire around the hand. I'm going to twist the wire just gently so it looks like some abseiling rope hanging from her hand. Now we're going to test her to hang her up on the wall. Once you know the principles of making your own doll climber, you can really go to town. Some toys don't even need any painting or any decoration. This guy, I even gave him his own little bag. You can give him a bunch of flowers. Maybe you can do Woody or Buzz climbing down the outside wall in the garden. So many things you can do. If you make any of these projects in this series, please tag me at Muck and Brass on Instagram. I'd love to share with everybody. Thank you for watching episode 3 of Upcycled Interiors. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're alerted to any new videos we do. Until next time, I'll see you by the pool.